a performer. Means if we want to see the definition, whether only what we can say cine stars are the performer or who else is there. So, obviously they are, so all actors, actress, whatever, singer, then musician, then dancer, acrobats, juggler, conjurer, snake charmer, or a person delivering a lecture, or any other person who makes a performers. So, this list can go increasing. So, you can understand whosoever is doing a performance, that person or that individual is a performer, and for that particular acoustic and visual presentation, he or she is getting the performance, right. Okay. So, for example, if somebody is giving a speech, then obviously the person who is giving a speech, he is a performing in one angle, and therefore obviously that is his performance, right. Okay.